Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about momentum and mood. Momentum over mood. Your mood changes, momentum stays. Some days feel strong, some days feel weak. Progress does not follow feelings, it follows movement. Stopping breaks rhythm. Continuing builds flow. Momentum grows quietly, mood fades quickly. If you are young, do not wait to feel ready. Start anyway. Repeat daily. Momentum will carry you forward. 5 minutes today is better than 0 minutes tomorrow. Ignore mood. Protect momentum. Momentum over mood. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.